Better than new. One-level living at its best, gorgeous ranch-style home plus finished bonus room in the desirable Copperstone Subdivision in West Knox. This quality-built home with all brick and stone siding construction features an inviting open floor plan with lots of natural lights. Special features include gorgeous exterior with large driveway and oversized side entry 2-car garage, great room with vaulted ceiling, stone fireplace with built-ins on both sides, February 2021 added sunroom, Provia Glass, with porcelain tile flooring comes with lifetime warranty. Split bedrooms, spacious master bedroom with tray ceiling, solid shelving and closets, generous walk-in closet in master bedroom, master bath features freestanding tub, ceramic tile shower and granite countertops. Beautiful and inviting kitchen with granite countertops features ample cabinet space with stainless steel appliances and recently upgraded Bosch dishwasher. Other features include formal dining room, breakfast area, tankless water heater, irrigation system, and laundry room with granite tops and drop zone for everyday convenience. HOA includes lawn care, clubhouse and community pool. This beauty is move-in ready.